So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number HP DeskJet 2755e. Select this. By default detect Windows 11, and if you download for the different OS and it might be not detect, so no worry about it, just click to choose and select which is you required, like that Windows. This is 30 Windows 64-bit and click to update. So this is driver. Okay, this is easy. Okay, this is required to internet. Okay, and that is a firmware. This is driver offline, so just click to download. So this is the firmware, so if you have to update, so just click to download. Okay, and this is driver, offline driver, and click to download. After completed, just single click to setup, then wait few seconds. This is extracting. Click to continue. So do you want to help to the software better, and then you can click if you know about your printer IP, so you can search by IP. Okay, otherwise continue. So this is simple, just click to find out the IP address and type, and then click to search. If it is not getting, so click continue. So if your printer connect to Wi-Fi, by LAN to your switch and router, and otherwise you can connect to USB, so just click USB, and when you connect a cable, USB cable to printer and laptop, so it will detect the next to install. After completed, restart your system and printer also. Thank you.